Mathematics Unit 1, Non-Calculator Intermediate Tier Specimen Paper 2017. So it's a non-calculator paper. Question 1, calculate the following. 5 squared multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. The little 2 tells us to multiply by yourself. So 5 squared means 5 times 5. And then you multiply by 2. And then because it's to the power of 3, you have to do 2 times 2 times 2. So 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then you're doing 25 times 8. So we're splitting the 20 and 5 up into 20 and 5. Putting 8 on the bottom. 8 20s are 160. 8 5s are 40. Add them up. 160 plus 40 equals 200. Part B, multiplying decimals. The easiest way to think about when you multiply decimals is to do 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to have a 1 and an 8 in the answer. Now I'm looking at how many places after the decimal point. There's 1, 3 there, and there's another 1 there. So you're going to need 2 numbers after the decimal point. So there's 2 numbers there, so the point goes in front of it, and it becomes 0.18. Part C, when you're subtracting decimals, always line up the numbers with a decimal point. So you're doing 8.70, take away 5.25. So 0 take away 5 you can't do, so I need to borrow 1. So I'm borrowing 1 off the 7 to make a 6, and then that becomes 10 take away 5 is 5, 6 take away 2 is 4, and then 8 take away 5 is 3. Part D, you need to make the numbers on the bottom the same. So what's the lowest number 4 and 8 go into? They both go into 8. The first number is already over 8, but now I need to change the second one. So if I do it down here just to show you, so it becomes 8 on the bottom. So you look at, how do I get from 4 to 8? I double it. So because I'm doubling the bottom, I have to double the top. And then you're doing 1 times 2 is 2. And then 7 over 8 take away 2 over 8 is 5 over 8. Because when you subtract fractions, you only subtract the top numbers. The bottom stays the same.